Okay, back again. We have a factory Commodore PLA inserted. I've got a heatsink on there to keep the chip as cool as possible. This is in the first of the KU14194HB boards that I have. Got the test circuit set there. I'll turn the power on. Okay, the orange LED comes on. I'll push the reset key. The light goes off. I'll turn the computer off and start it again. Computer goes off. Switching on the power. Red light comes on. Press the reset key and the light goes out. It stays out. So that passes the test. So on to the next chip.